Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Dr. Samira and I am back with another video. In this video, guys, I'm going to discuss with you how much money you should have to start trading Forex. Let's get into this video. But first, if you haven't already, go ahead and go like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel because it is what? It is free, and let's get into it.
He want the stoop, she want the tea, she want the tea. I cannot speak, we keep it street, we keep it street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat, you still gon' get beat. How much it costs? It never been cheap, it never been.
So, if you are a beginner trader, how much money should you start off with? That is definitely a good question to ask yourself and to ask others within the trading community. So, if you are a beginner trader, it really solely depends on the broker that you are currently using. A lot of brokers can start at a minimum of $10, so forth. It also depends on the type of trader that you are wanting to be, whether it be a swing trader or a day trader or a scalper trader. It really depends on the type of style that you want to have as a trader. And then last but not least, it really depends on how much money do you have saved up. And I'm not talking about money that's saved up for your rent, that's saved up for the bills that needs to be paid for your livelihood. I'm talking about just extra cash laying around that is not going to affect you if you were to spend it and lose it, okay? I want you to understand that when you do place your real money into your trading account, this is money that you're willing to lose in case if it does go the wrong direction within the market as you trade. So it's very important that you keep that in mind, because I do know that a lot of times some people who get into trading altogether may think that it is a get quick, get rich type of scenario, and it's really not. You may get lucky where you have joined like the ride if Bitcoin shoots up, or any other type of cryptocurrency, or any other type of stock like Amazon stock, or any of those different natures. But if you really don't solely have like a skill as well as a strategy to really trade within the market, everybody knows that is definitely not going to get you rich, especially if you only are depositing $10 at a time. All right, so as a trader myself, I do recommend, and I just want to let you guys know that I am not a financial advisor. This is something that I basically seen myself for myself during my trading journey. But I typically recommend a lot of people who ask me as far as trying to deposit at least minimum $500. I think $500, especially as a beginner trader, is a good amount of money to leverage and to compound over time at a much quicker time frame rather than starting at $10, especially if you don't know what you're really doing within the market and you're not really profiting. Now, like I stated before, there's some brokers that will start you off at as low as $10. Now, I have shown you guys that you can definitely flip your account from $20 and up, or $50 and up. But again, if you don't have that skill of actually flipping small accounts into large accounts, it's going to be much harder. And then just with $500, it's just easier to really ride the wave, especially if you have a good trade. But let's say that the candle, or let's say the news popped off to where now you're in a little bit of a deep dive of a withdrawal within the market, then you're able to hold on, you know what I mean? Whereas if you have a smaller account like $10, your $10 can't really hold a big drop in case the market goes the other way before it hits your take profit. So it's really important to keep that in mind. Now, when I first started within Forex trading, I thought $10, if I could flip $10 into 100, I was like, okay, whatever. But that $10 ended up making me lose $1,000 because I kept going back. I kept putting in $10 here, putting in $20 here, $50 here, $100 here, and not really understanding how to trade. So it's very important that you need to know how to trade before you actually realize or want to go ahead and try to compound a small account, because it's just best to put a good amount in so that you can use a smaller lot size and then just compound from there, rather than having to always, multiply many different opportunities of deposits within your account. And then all of a sudden you actually over time had deposited $500 and lost $500 rather than just putting it all together at once. So I would say that would be a good amount of money for you to deposit within your account as a beginner. Now, if you're someone who is intermediate level or an expert within the game, or just very advanced when it comes to trading, you can put 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, whatever you have, basically within your bank account. You can do it. But as a beginner, I highly recommend $500. But before you put in $500, I want you to really create a demo account and see if you are able to compound $500 before you go ahead and place $500. Because I don't want y'all putting $500 and then all of a sudden you blew your account. Let's not go there. Okay, that's not what I'm telling you. I think personally, from my experience, is that you should deposit $500 as a beginner trader. It's just better for you. It's easier for you to compound because you have a lot more wiggle room. When you have $10, then you have to make 50 cents here and there to really get it where you need it to be so that you can feel a little bit comfortable. But again, that takes some time. So $500 is definitely reasonable. Again, keep in mind that this is money that you are able to lose. Do not ever, guys, do not ever use your money that you use to pay your bills, that you use to pay your bills. Do you hear me? If you use your money to pay your bills, that's on you. That's on you, okay? But you want to make sure that this is money that you're able to lose, okay? This is with any type of investment that you have. You want to make sure that you're okay with losing that money. So if you haven't already, go ahead and go like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel, because it is free. And if you haven't already, also come join my trading community on Telegram. Also, guys, I am providing a VIP signal group that will be launching on April 1st. And if you want more details on that, you just have to join the Telegram community. Peace out, y'all.